Hi guys, welcome to Watch Tech. This is the tutorial video for GeoMeet app where you will learn all the steps which is required to start a meeting or creating a waiting room and all. And this app was launched by Mr. Amani on 2nd of July 2020, and this is same as the Zoom app, which I think you have already used. So but there are some benefits of this app, so let's see how we can use this app for creating a meeting, for sending an invite, and for creating a waiting room as well. So there are multiple things. So guys, let's open GeoMeet app. After I log into the app, this will be the first page which will show. In the bottom you can see 5 tabs: meet and chat, meetings, contact, settings, and help. After that, in the first tab, meet and chat, you will see 4 options in the top: new meeting, join, schedule, share screen. We will check each and every option one by one. So first let's check new meeting option. After I press new meeting, there will be 2 options: if I want to make my video on or not, and if I want to show my personal meeting ID or not. So I'll select both the option and start the meet. So you will see this screen after starting the video. There you can see that multiple tabs are there at the bottom, like mute, unmute, stop video, share, participant. So the mute, unmute, as you know, it is to unmute or mute your audio, stop video if you want to stop the video, and so that only audio will be listened by the participant. So this option is there, and there is an option of share screen where you can share your screen. After that, in the participant tab, there are all the participants will show here. You can manually mute or unmute any of the participants, or you can mute the video of the participants like this. After that, there is an option of mute all. If a host want to mute all the participants, so except him, so he can press this mute option and click on OK. And there is an option of unmute all, like manually unmuting the participant. You can click on this button and all the participants will get unmuted. There is an option to invite the participant in the ongoing meeting. Let's say if you forgot to invite a person in earlier, then you can invite during the meeting as well. I will close this option. There is a more tab where there is an option of chat, where this is a group chat where all the participants can see and can type in. After that, there is a meeting setting option where I have to lock a meeting, or I have to play any sound, like I have to raise the flag or something. And at the top you can see that there is my personal ID and password, which I have shared with the participants who can join the meeting. And in the left corner, this is the audio source, like speaker, device, or audio off. This is the audio source from which I am recording this video. Let's end this meeting and see what for. We have checked this red button, new meeting. After that, there is an option of join, where if I have a meeting ID, I can join any meeting through my name and meeting ID. And there is an option where if I don't want my audio to be audible to other participants, and if I want to turn off my video, there is an option here. After that, I can schedule the meetings at any time, any year. And I can repeat that in a, like, every day I want a meeting at 1 o'clock in the afternoon, so I can set that from this option. This will come in the next release as well. There is a meeting option, like if I want host video to be on all the time during the video, and if participants video I want to be on, there is an advanced option where there is an option of waiting room. This is a very important option, like if a host want every participants to come in and then only he start the meeting, then this option will be enabled for the host. You can select that option, and no, I don't want to create the meeting. I just there is an option of share screen as well. Here you need to put the meeting ID and press on OK, then the screen will be shared. After that, you can check that I have created this meeting now. So in the this is the first tab, meet and chat. In the second tab, meeting, you can see your personal meeting ID, and you can send the invitation to every person, your contacts and all, so that they will join at that time. After that, there is an edit option, their meeting settings, where which I told you earlier as well, like if I want to enable the waiting room, or I want host video to be on, or participant video to be on. This is my password for the meeting. I can refresh it every time. After that, there is I can refresh this as well. There is a contacts tab as well, where all the contacts will show, like internal contacts or phone contacts. Like this phone contacts joined the GeoMeet app, so it is showing here. For I can create the group, like if I want to create the group of friends which I want to be in the meeting. And there is an office group as well. I can create the office group where I will send the meeting invite at one go. So this option will help very much. In the next step, settings, there is a settings for meetings, like default settings, we can say. If I want my microphone or my video to be muted, to be muted at the start of the video by default, so I can select these options. After that, there are another options, like if I want to show my name, if I want to show that every participants who will join will show his name. So these are the options. To auto copy the meeting link, I need to click on this. So this is the option here in the settings. And after that, help, here you will get all the FAQs, frequently asked questions, about the GeoMeet app. So this is the whole interface of the GeoMeet app, and it is a very good app as compared to Zoom app, because in Zoom app they will allow you only 40 minutes of recording in the 40 minutes of meeting. After that, you have to start the other meeting. But in GeoMeet app, you can continuously record for 24 hours. They will allow 24 hours continuously, and they are encrypted as well. Like in Zoom app, we have earlier seen the issues with the security, but in Geo app, this is a new app. This is password encrypted and all the security as well, which is claimed by the owner. So I don't think there will be any issues with this. We can start using this app, and let's see how this app progress during the time. So if you suggest me between the Zoom and this GeoMeet app, I will prefer this app as well, because I can record the meeting of 20 minutes, 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours, whatever I want. So guys, this is all about the GeoMeet app. If you have any doubts, you can comment on the video, or you can email me personally. I